Imagine running your entire Shopify store from one dashboard: products, orders, billing, and even shipping without the daily headaches. That's exactly what I'm about to show you today. I want to talk about something that every single one of us who runs a Shopify store dreams of: a way to eliminate the daily grind and the constant headaches of managing our online business. You know the feeling, right? The endless switching between tabs, the manual data entry, the frantic search for tracking numbers, and the gnawing feeling that you're not spending your time on what truly matters: growing your business. Well, what if I told you there's a tool that can literally handle all of that in one place and save you hours every single week? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Pickoship. It's a powerful Shopify app that is a game changer for serious store owners. Pickoship simplifies everything from product sourcing to batch order fulfillment, billing, and logistics tracking. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur running multiple stores or just getting started with your very first one, this app gives you complete control without all the stress. It's not just another app, it's a full solution. Let's dive into the core features of Pickoship and see exactly how it works. Finding winning products is often the most time-consuming part of running an e-commerce hot business. It can take hours of sifting through different websites, copying links, and manually checking supplier ratings. Pickoship completely changes that. It makes product sourcing simple by allowing you to search and browse thousands of products directly within the app itself. You can easily filter by category, price, or supplier rating to find exactly what you're looking for, and with a few clicks, you can have those products ready to add to your store. This feature alone eliminates the need to jump between multiple websites and manually check suppliers. Imagine this scenario. You're looking for a new product to add to your store for the upcoming holiday season. Instead of opening 10 different tabs and trying to compare products, prices, and suppliers, you just open Pickoship. You filter for home decor and set a price range, and instantly, a curated list of products appears. You see a highly rated supplier with a great product key, and within minutes, it's added to your store, ready to be sold. No more copying links, no more manual checks, just a seamless, efficient process. Once you've got your products and a customer places an order, the real work begins, or at least it used to. Pickoship syncs your Shopify orders automatically, so as soon as a customer buys a product, you can fulfill it directly through the app. Everything is tracked, so you'll know the status of every single order. This means no more guesswork or trying to remember which order is at what stage. And here's a feature that will make your customers love you. Pickoship even allows you to send tracking information to them automatically. Think about how many customer support inquiries you get asking, "Where's my order?" With Pickoship, that question becomes a thing of the past. The customer receives a tracking update as soon as the order ships, giving them peace of mind and freeing you up to focus on other tasks. It's a win-win for everyone. Keeping track of your inventory can be a major source of stress, especially if you're managing your own stock. Overselling is a costly mistake that can lead to unhappy customers and a damaged reputation. Pickoship helps you avoid this by letting you maintain a virtual warehouse. You can see all your products in one place, track stock levels, and make sure you never oversell. This simple feature can save you a ton of time and prevent those expensive errors from happening. Let's say you're selling a popular product that is flying off the shelves. With Pickoship's virtual warehouse, you can see in real time that your stock is running low. This allows you to reorder more product before you run out, ensuring you never miss a sale. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to watching your inventory for you. Managing supplier payments is another one of those tasks that can be a real headache. Trying to keep track of what you owe, what you've paid, and what's pending can feel like juggling too many balls at once. With Pickoship, all of your billing is organized in one central location. You can see all your pending and paid orders and handle transactions securely without ever having to leave the app. This not only saves you hours of manual work, but also keeps everything transparent and easy to track. No more hunting for invoices or trying to reconcile payments from multiple sources. Pickoship puts all the financial data you need right at your fingertips, keeping your business finances tidy and secure. Let's be honest, shipping can be an absolute nightmare. Manually entering tracking numbers, trying to track multiple orders at once, and sending individual updates to customers is incredibly time-consuming. Pickoship turns this nightmare into a dream. The app allows you to enter tracking numbers, track multiple orders simultaneously, and even bulk update shipments. You'll always know exactly where your products are, and because you can easily provide timely updates, your customers will be happy. Imagine fulfilling 100 orders and being able to update all of their shipping information at the same time with a single click. That's the kind of efficiency PicoShip brings to your business. As I mentioned earlier, PicoShip, it's a comprehensive solution for serious Shopify store owners. Whether you're a dropshipper, you manage your own inventory, or you're running multiple stores, PicoShip keeps everything organized and efficient. I've personally seen how much time it saves and how easy it makes managing a store. It allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business, creating marketing campaigns, and building your brand. It handles the daily grind for you, so you can spend your time on strategic tasks rather than administrative ones. If you're ready to simplify your store management and save hours every single week, you need to try PicoShip. The time you'll get back, the stress you'll eliminate, and the efficiency you'll gain are all invaluable. The link to sign up is in the description below. Click it, sign up, and start managing your store smarter, not harder. Trust me, once you start using PicoShip, you'll wonder how you ever ran your store without it. It's a game changer, and it's an essential tool for anyone serious about e-commerce. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to grow your online business. And again, check out PicoShip. You won't regret it.